Welcome back to Houston Life. If your energy bills are creeping up or certain rooms in your home feel hotter than others, your windows could be the reason. And Mel, you learned about a solution to this recently.
I certainly did. I stopped by the Window Source, Houston's headquarters in Tomball, and I met the veteran-owned team who are helping Houstonians keep cool and also save money. And you wouldn't believe how much of a percentage you can cut off your energy bill. Take a look at this. Just north of Houston in Tomball, the Window Source is helping local homeowners take control of energy costs and comfort. The team here, led by retired Marine David Mallette, brings a mission-focused approach to customer care. At their local showroom, you can see, touch, and compare top brands before making a decision. I caught up with David to find out more. You know what? So many people in Houston have high energy bills, and we just think it's part of living in Houston. But sometimes it can be a sign you need new windows.
Yes, it could. If you have single pane windows or older double pane windows that are like 15, 20 years old, they weren't very good back then. They didn't have any argon, any kind of gas inside to help insulate the house. Normally when we change windows out, people see a savings between 30 or 40%.
So it's more than just making your house look pretty with some new windows. I mean, you're talking about energy efficiency. You're talking about saving money.
Right.
And new windows can make all of a difference for you. So how do we know that our windows could be the culprit for our high energy bill?
If you walk into one of your rooms and it feels hotter or colder than the other rooms, you probably have some air leakage from the outside, some air infiltration. If you find a lot of dust in that room or in your rooms, you probably have seal failure, so the dust is getting through their windows. And if your AC is just running all the time, you probably need new windows.
Okay, so yeah, and you guys are the experts that can come out to someone's home and help them out with that, basically.
Yes, ma'am.
But you know what, before anyone has you guys come out to their home, we can come here and visit your showroom. I really love it. It's a beautiful showroom here in Tomball.
Thank you.
It's great to be able to look at the different products that you have. Talk about that, because you have more than just one brand. You have a lot of options for people to choose from.
Yeah, we carry 8 brands of windows. We have windows for everybody's kind of budget, what kind of style they're looking for, color. That's why we have such an assortment here. Our guys on their trucks have multiple brands and multiple samples that they can show you, but we can't carry everything in the trucks, so that's why we have the showroom so people can come by and actually look at the products.
And I love the fact that you're here in Houston, because let's face it, at the end of the day, our windows are probably more than just insulation. You know, they're more than just something that makes your house look a little prettier.
Right.
They are things that need to function during really severe storms. I mean, we're talking hurricanes, we're talking tornadoes, and that's something that I think you understand really well, being a Houstonian, being here in town.
So we're experts on impact windows. A lot of the window companies in Houston don't like to mess with the impact windows. We carry multiple brands, so we don't just have one impact window, we have multiple impact windows for different price points and different styles that people are looking for. We can help you all the way through the windstorm inspection to the finish line. So we're definitely the windstorm experts here in Houston.
And you have some great before and afters. I mean, you do a really great job.
Thank you.
So it can make a big difference to your home aesthetically, but you also know inside good stuff is happening.
Windows is one of those things that you can actually recover your investment from. If you ever want to sell your home, it does help increase that value to get those old windows out of your home.
So you service all over Greater Houston area?
Yeah, we service all the way from Huntsville to Galveston. We go out to Kingwood, all the way to Sugar Land. We can do about just anywhere in the 100-mile, 200-mile radius of Houston. We go all over. These actually are going to be up in the Woodlands. We're going to be installing these in a beautiful home in the Woodlands.
It's amazing. I mean, I see you have a lot of jobs on at the moment.
Yeah, this is our go time of year. Most people want to get these in before summer. Unfortunately, summer's almost here, but you know, it's a great time to still get your windows done.
Now, you are a military veteran. You're a Marine veteran. What do you bring to your business today? What have you learned from being part of the military?
Being part of the Marine Corps, you learn your core commitments. So it's honor, courage, and commitment. I actually instill those in everything we do here at the Window Source. So all of my employees abide by those core values. I kind of adopted them into my company here too.
That's so awesome. And of course, people can come out to your showroom, which is really fun to come and visit it out here in Tomball. But you do have a team of people who go out to people's homes and bring samples and can take a look at what they may need.
Right. Yeah, most of our guys have multiple samples of different brands in their vehicles. But if they don't have something there, you can definitely come into the showroom. We try to have everything here to be able to see, put your hands on, and feel and touch it.
From energy savings to whole home comfort, the Window Source in Tomball is a trusted, veteran-owned local business that's ready to help one window at a time.
You know what? The Window Source of Houston has a special offer for us. When you're scheduling a consultation with them, let them know that you saw them on Houston Life and you'll get 5% off, which is really good. If you want to learn more, just jump online, windowsourcehouston.com, or you can give them a call. The number's on the screen, 281-547-6900.
Okay, veteran owned. Good reminder there.
Yeah, I love them. They're great.